Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page, and I'm going to use resources that I used in my How to Write an Informational Essay video. So if you want to see how I pulled information and used them, please view that video. And I'm going to show you two different ways. There's a built-in version of a works cited page builder on Microsoft Office products. If I go up here to References and then click Citations over here, it's already set for MLA. If I go to Citations, it pops up this little bar over here, and I can click on the plus sign to add one, and it's going to pop up this page right here. Now when you get to the screen, you need to make sure that you have your type of source checked. So we're going to do a website, so I'm going to check a website. And now to adjust it based on the information you can find on a website. So for author, I'm going to put Maxine K. Ken. The name of the web page is Pygmies for All Reasons. The name of the website is the National Pygmy Association. For the URL, I've got to go back to the website, and I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to right click and click copy, and then I'm going to go back and Control V for paste. Now I don't know what year and month and day it was written in besides 2017 for the copyright date, but I do know the day that I accessed it, which would be the year's 2017, the month would be July, and the date would be the 18th. So once I have all that information that I found in here, I'm going to click OK. And anywhere that I want a citation in the text, I can click Add, and it'll put it in like this. Now I don't want this here, so I'm going to erase it. And I can do this for all of my websites that I use, and I'll just keep adding them, making sure that I have websites selected up here, making sure I put in all the information. When I look at the Living Homegrown website, it does not tell me who wrote this, but since I know from looking at the About page that it is this one woman who is pictured here, I can go to the About page and it tells me her name. And it's Teresa Lowe, so I'm going to make sure I put her name for the author. And now I'm going to go through and put in all the same information as I did before. For this page, it tells me right here that it's by Dr. Lori Hess. The title of the article is Want a Backyard Goat? 10 Things to Consider. The title of the web page is Vet Street. The copyright date is 2017. Once I have all of the resources in here, I can go up here to the bibliography button. And if you notice, I have the choice of creating a bibliography or a works cited. I'm going to click Works Cited, and it automatically creates it for you, which is really cool. Okay, the second version I'm going to show you is a website called citationmachine.net. If you type in that webpage, citationmachine.net, it's going to pull up this page, and you're going to select MLA for Language Arts. So I'm going to select that. In here, if you type in the URL, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL of the last page I used, and click Search Websites, it'll automatically create the citation for you. If I hit Select, it'll tell me what information they found and what information they could not find. And I'll hit Final Step, and I can input that information manually, and then hit Create Citation. And it'll give me the citation, and then it will also save it for the bibliography. So as I add sources, it'll start creating my bibliography for me, and then I can just click on this and copy and paste it into my Word document. Now keep in mind, it will hold on to your bibliography for 2 days, so that's pretty nice. If that doesn't work, then you can go to manual entry mode and manually enter in that information that we entered in previously into Word. Whenever I'm ready, I can put the whole thing in my Word document. So if I copy and paste, it's going to input the citation.